Hello, Pick and Cheer Profits here again. Back at you again, gonna bring you another old time favorite. Again, we want to mention that our CDs we've been working on, it's been a long project, actually, around 2 years, but Lord willing, we should be having them within a few weeks now. So you can look on our Facebook page, YouTube page, whatever, and there'll be information there how to obtain one if you want one. Again, our subscribers, thank you from the bottom of all of our hearts. It's a blessing to us to get to bless other people, share again our gifts that the good Lord's blessed us with. And we're going to do another old classic. This is one of the very first ones Steve ever learned to play on the fiddle. I believe it's your grandpa, wasn't it, Steve?
Yes, sir.
Taught you that one?
Yes, sir.
Great Speckled Bird. They say a classic never dies, and these old songs truly don't. And that's one of the things we really want to do is keep the old music alive, pretty much in the old traditional standard way it was done. And we're again can't say it enough. We're very grateful, and all of you folks that enjoy this again, tell your friends, family, and like, share, and subscribe. And each time you do that, it helps us. It helps the algorithm. I'm not even sure what that is, but
Something about a rhythm.
I've heard of it.
Yeah.
Chicago rhythm.
Something musically related.
Yeah. Something to do. Anyway, it helps us, and again, we love and appreciate y'all. And from the Pick and Cheer Profits, God bless.